Hey there, I'm here with my cat and we're going to show you how you can create a table of contents component just like the one I have here on the right of my page, where it dynamically gets the headings that you have and even the subheadings, and it creates this dynamic list of links that link to the specific sections where these elements are. So in the docs, you can copy the template, but I'm gonna build this from scratch so that we can understand how it works. First of all, we need these three scripts. We need GSAP, scroll trigger, and then the table of contents script itself. So I'm gonna go to my page settings, and I already have copied all three of them. So I'm just gonna paste this, and I can now save this. And I want this to be in here. Under the page contents. So I'm gonna add a list here. And we're gonna give this a class of TOC, which stands for table of contents, of course. And we only need one list item that will act as the template. And inside of this, we will have a link. And inside the link, I will add a text block. Now the text can say whatever you want. I'm just gonna write example. This will be replaced anyway. So this is the bare minimum that you need to just get the H2 of each section. So if I go to my main here, this is where I want the headings to be pulled from. So everything inside of this main div, it has multiple rich text elements and even regular headings. And I want this to be the content. So I'm gonna scroll down and find the attributes, and we can see main attributes, STOC equals content, list, and text. So we're gonna go here and add this content. And then we're gonna go to our list and add STOC equals list. And then the text is the text inside the link where it will be replaced. So it will be text. Do we need anything else? It doesn't seem like it. So now we can publish. And if we view this, we're gonna see that we have features and usage. And if I click on features, we get to features. If I click on usage, it gets to usage. Good. Now you'll notice we're not getting any highlighting or any kind of styling to know where we are on the page. So let's fix that. I already have a class for these. I'm gonna call this STOC link. And you will see that this just gives it some padding, nothing too fancy. And I also want the active class to be CC active. So you'll see that whenever the CC active class is added, we get this green outline. And in order to configure that, we're gonna choose the STOC active attribute and go back, select the list, go to the attributes and add STOC active is CC active. By default, the class that SocksUI adds is S active, but in this case, I want CC active. And if we publish this, we can open this and we will see, for some reason, both of them are highlighted. So we probably shouldn't add it by default, but now we get this highlight. Cool. Now let's work on adding these headings as well. We're gonna go back and see that there is nothing else here. But if you check the setup, it just tells you that you just have to put another list inside your list. You can see it over here. So here inside the list item, I'm just gonna add another list. And we're gonna keep only one list item. I'm gonna copy the link from up here into this. We don't need to add any extra attributes. The only attribute that you need to care about is the text. And then we're gonna go to the link. Actually, we're gonna remove the bullets first. And then we're gonna go to the link I want to change this with a combo class. And I want to also remove this by default. And that's all you need to do. Just add another list inside with one list item and a link. And now when we publish and check this out, look at that. We have all the new headings from the H3. If I scroll down, features is highlighted and then attribute based. If I scroll more, features is still highlighted because we are still on this section, but now we have accessible by default, useful error messages, open source. And then when we get down, we now have these highlighted. That's it. Make sure to check out my other components. And if you want to support, you can subscribe and give a like.